did just take profit on the video. I did start late.
I was born before '68. The one thing
I don't know, I may get back in.
Listen, I think I think I said this last week. I think the dynamic of we've gone from animal spirits to animals in hibernation, and that's where I think we are. I think it is literally just hold off and wait and see what all these things have played through. I think companies are going to have to make significant
I
adjustments.
took my profit and left.
How you
I
think
think it
about
was
your
for like
supply chain? How you think about your distribution function? How you think about assembly?
like 4-5%.
Like I think all these things are going to change, and that's why we're in this.
Bro, I seen that shit went up to 10, bro. I tried to take when it went up to 10.
Decisions to add a lot of bait or think about risk. You got to be conservative. I think so. I think you got to hunker down all the time.
Let's see if we can wick, reclaim. That's what I'll add.
Whenever he add, I'll get back in.
If I can reclaim 97, that's where I'll build the majority of the size. Just so I can have a risk defined appropriately.
But anyway, stocks are down crazy still.
Do you expect these tariffs to somehow go away?
I'm expecting for SPY to go down, close low. Close below this what's in there.
I'm also gonna load my Apple puts too, just to keep them loaded on the side. I loaded my Apple 190 or 197.5 puts, just keep them loaded. Zero G's.
Bro, I like taking signals and shit, bro. But really, I be like taking my own shit. But they good though. I fuck with them boys heavy.
I like that wick on this NVIDIA chart. If we can reclaim though, we can then define risk.
Yeah. As a nice wick. So you just need to hold 97.
What do you say? 1975.
No ads yet. Just still in starter exposure.
I'm not putting no size on none of my contracts. Today is Friday. I ain't put no size yesterday either, but I have to create this fucking plan, bro. I have to dead ass create this plan. I have to nail my strategy, all that good shit. I need this candle to close on SPY. Be impatient and seeing the setup for real. I'm sorry for all this what's the name, but it is what it is. Look at this shit right here. This shit look fucking insane, bro. Another gap down.
Threshold on market cap, so these superlatives coming in quickly. I do want to end by talking about treasuries because clearly there has been an enormous bid into the bond market, Rick Reader. You know that well, but you have seen some notes out there, some worries starting to form.
All right, right now I did add QQQ and SPY. I'm just adding more levels because this shit is fucking crazy. I'm happy as fuck. I'm seeing this shit. I'm happy as hell. I got in this shit when I got into this shit. I'm talking about trading in general. I feel like I caught it like right on the head down there.
This reclaims it could go. It just has to reclaim here.
And the reason I'm so tired, cause nigga, I just got done working like a couple hours ago, but I'm still on this shit. You feel me? Like, still wake up at 8 o'clock, turn this shit on, go back to sleep. But not for real shit.
Almost back to average though.
Man, I seen profit and took profit. You feel me? I straight like that.
Yeah, I may just keep risk tight and not add to this.
Yeah, it's like a Friday session for real.
Everyone is selling the future. If you want to understand what's coming, you'll want to watch Primer because details matter.
Like shit don't be fucking.
So do lasers.
I don't know sometimes with this shit.
Oh, and it's on all these lovely channels.
The countdown is on. Everything.
My risk is just going to be 96.20. That's a person I'm going to use. Usually in 0 days I like to get like the reclaiming move, so I want to wait for it to reclaim. Let's see. If it does reclaim though, I actually will build size to it.
Should've put what's in there.
It's trying to, but market still has a little bit of weakness. This is a very big demand on the video, so they just have to go through.
We can hold 97, it goes back to 100.
It's a good hold here so far. Let's see if this candle closes though.
Can't wait. It's like opening presents in the morning.
It will be exciting.
Nobody covers earnings like Bloomberg.
Key investors, top executives, global innovators. Join me for in-depth conversations with the biggest
Oh, look at fucking Marcus up.
top stories.
I like Marcus up at the 5 minute.
Only on Bloomberg.
There. I mean, bull, my bad. Bull. Just gonna wait for this candle to close.
Yeah, I also see Apple too. Apple's approaching my level.
Amazon, I like Amazon as well. Should go back up and close this gap-ish.
Alright, I actually added to my position on this nvidia to get my average cost down to 1.75. The reason why is I just want to use that candle low as a wick. On 0 DDs, you have to be precise, so
0 days move like fucking
1.75 is my average.
like a Ferrari.
And just use that candle low now as our stop, 96.20.
Yeah, it's holding well.
Yep.
Shit crazy. I thought I was gonna go back to sleep. Shouldn't
I'm
need.
actually up 10% now, but I'm still gonna wait for more.
Really bearing the brunt of the sell-off. This index already in a bear market.
I like
It's
this.
just getting worse. Now down about
98 plus would be great.
It's time now
This
for our
chart.
top calls. Some of the analyst action in focus this morning, and first up, one of Wall Street's
I
most
like Apple as
bearish
well.
Tesla analysts.
If Apple can close above this box and probably
JP Morgan's Ryan
just
Brinkley
close above it,
cutting estimates
possibly
for
retest,
citing unprecedented
make it in. Just use the EMA as my stop.
Next up, we have Citi downgrading
Make sure you guys are trimming if you have money in this. If you added, you can take trim safely, but just holding for 98 plus.
That part. I'm gonna come back at y'all when I'm in a trade. So boom. Let's say reclaim 98. Should I make it back in on the video?
Our entry was a little, I think, on the earlier end, but because it reclaimed now, it looks really good.
What is it, 97 call?
Just take trims though, guys. Move your stops up.
Workers coming back to the Health and Human Services. Maybe the FDA doesn't lose nearly as much staff as we feared, but it's still going to be a slimmed down workforce. How hard does that make?
I may wait like 3 minutes.
Things through, and to get new advancements out to the public that needs them.
Yeah, that is a
There you go.
super salient point, and to be honest,
Right, even if you did not, you should be green.
I'm more concerned about
10-15% here.
than tariffs. Pharma
Yeah,
products are
for
still
more.
gonna get paid.
Nice.
Companies have very, very
Thank
high
you,
gross
Trader
margins,
View,
so they
for being
can
such a
absorb
dumbass.
I'm at like 70% through 0 days.
70? What, nigga?
High-level people at the organization that
Yeah.
investors know about have left in the last week.
It's the second time I had to fucking reload my chart because I had it. Adding lines to this shit.
Yeah, 97 is my trial. Has to hold 97.
Bro, this fucking shit here, bro.
Novo with its blockbuster obesity drugs, its biggest market is the U.S. I mean, when you think about the global impact of any specific sector tariffs here, I have to imagine that Novo could be in for more pain.
Like a strong resistance right here at this level. I really want to see what it does. Apple. It's up to 5 minutes. I think it's bull, yeah. But again, it is opening candle, so you do have to sit on your hands just a little bit. I'm talking to myself.
We can see 100, Mike. If the SPY actually holds here, we can see 100.
I'm 0 day.
We'll see 100 if it just breaks this 98.
I like
There you go.
it.
Yeah, I'm up.
It's nice.
Oh, he said he out.
I'm up.
That's nice.
I took more trims.
How many companies that you cover are saying,
Up like 17% here.
Let's watch Apple too.
Sheesh.
Oh shit.
22%.
Well, in terms of what we've seen from companies thus far,
25%. Nice.
And I seen the possible number I could get
Out
from
of
this
most at 25%.
shit. I seen private. I took private, seen private. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Right, you added, so you must be up 30%.
I'm up close to, yeah, about like 20 something, 26%, 27%.
I'm just not. I ain't gonna get back in just because of that's like
Yeah,
that's
let's use that
that's really FOMO. You feel
97.50
me?
as a trail sign.
I ain't gonna get back in.
Uh-oh. Look at that long-term channel.
Yeah, I got for the more. Yeah, I actually made more. Sad thing is I made more in shares than I did the whole pounds. Yeah.
And 97.50 is actually just break even on these contracts, honestly.
I think it's gonna be 97.50.
Yeah.
Damn. Sound good.
I know, guys. I see Apple. I'm just trying to manage my NVIDIA.
I sold my orders on NVIDIA.
97.50.
Apple puts might be calling my name.
Oh yeah, these contracts get crushed. It's so crazy.
Yeah.
I'm actually red now a little bit on my
I
contract.
better just get out.
Got 2%.
Yeah.
Yep, I'm out as well.
Damn, that shit flipped so
Mine
crazy.
sold about $2. The green.
See, what if I would have
Alright,
tried to
nice
get
one
back
and
in?
done. Looks like everyone caught that.
Damn. Again, what if I would have tried to get back in? I would have fucking got cooked, nigga. Doji off the batting cage. Fuck this nigga saying.
Emily, thanks so much for joining us. Emily Field there from Barclays.
That shit need to rip down, bro. Go down, Spy. Spy go down, nigga. We go up in the Louis, nigga.
On stocks as the S&P, the Nasdaq, and the Russell 2000 continue.
I'm trying to figure out what it is telling me. I want to say this shit going higher, but it's just waking at that zone. I'm just gonna wait for another candle to close. What is it? 4 minutes to the 15 close. Pretty sure it's still bear. I mean bull. Keep saying bear. God damn, this shit been so bear, nigga. I'm saying bear on a bull candle. Like, what am I talking about?
50 on 0 days is plenty.
That's a big move.
So Microsoft cooking.
I think Apple fails here, but I want to get a proper entry. If you guys are already in Apple, I think it looks good.
For puts, it's crazy. I thought
96 is where it
going
should
back
go.
up, but I can see why.
Yeah, guys, I mentioned pre-market. Rav is getting surgery today, so he is not on. We'll be back on Monday, okay?
Oh, damn.
We'll be fine. He's a strong man.
Most def. Hell yeah, my nigga Rav.
Yeah, some of their counter up at 50%, Mike. It should be green. There's no way. There's no way unless you
ain't
mismatch
missing
it.
shit. Nigga, it's a Friday.
No, it was 100% a green trade. Unless you just held, but that's done. You gotta take profit. Don't look at long term today.
I got $1 million in one contract.
Transitioning
Look at this
question
shit. I am gonna delete all
Yeah,
this
he's
shit.
doing his.
You guys are horrible.
I am gonna delete these shits come end of the day.
Let's see what happens with this Apple. Ooh, Apple's got a popper. Okay, this is the 200 tap though.
I may focus on Amazon.
Yeah, I mean contracts did.
Oh, I may focus on Amazon.
1.8 to.
Let me load Amazon.
2.2.
I need
2.3. I think.
now.
2.3 was
Conversations that allow for deep discussions and important insights. What do you think the future is for inflation? Is this new normal? Are markets too optimistic? How do you worry about the things that are outside your control? How does the current
Wizzy, I have Apple puts loaded. Looking for Apple fill.
this is the pulse.
I just want to get my confirmation and I'll go short. I just want to be patient. We kind of nice trade off the gate.
Yeah, just looking at it, sold at 2.27, so.
Again, I'm sorry for all
1.8
this
to
fucking sniffling.
2.7 is
No, I'm tweaking. I gotta keep this shit open. Matter of fact, I'm trusting Luke.
26%.
If you got filled in
my
at
little
96 level 2, it's probably close to 50% plus.
Have used my
Or
little
people
journal.
added. Look at that reclaim 97 again.
0 days. Thank you. Amazon. I want Amazon to go up to 176. I know it's a little. It ain't too crazy out of money. I'm not tripping. 176. 177.5. Hold on, let me think about this shit right
I'm gonna go 0 days on Apple, but being patient.
Hold on 1 second. 1 second. Is it what is it? What is it? What is it?
Why is reclaiming 524 here?
I'm gonna do 175.
I didn't have 520 as a demand.
520?
Yeah, did you?
No.
Where
524.
we-
I have 524 as a level.
Yeah,
I don't know where it's
I
from.
have 525. That was that previous all-time high.
Yeah.
From
I like this based off this
March of last year.
rejection, and it's going back up. That's off the
Nvidia
5
actually does
minute,
look good still.
15.
Yeah,
Spy,
normally I would
QQQ.
re-enter, but
As of
I
right
don't
now,
think I want to play with
as of right now, look at Microsoft.
Just take the cash flow and I'd go into the weekend at least green on day trades. Honestly, we had a really good week for day trades.
So I may wait like to the end of this candle, like 10 more seconds. I mean 20.
It's NQ.
Last
It's
10 of the
also the
candle.
QQQ level. I see the QQQ level.
Oh wow, Microsoft 368 reclaim. I missed that. That was really nice too.
Hell yeah, I did too. I literally seen it too. Not seen it, but hell yeah, I kind of seen it. Break. You feel me? Break with this candle. Possibly could have got in right here. Close down. But I'm gonna catch this Amazon. I like this Amazon. I'm gonna get in right now. Oh, I'm tweaking. I didn't even show y'all, but yeah, I'm tweaking. I hate when I be doing that. It's all good. I may wait a little longer. Let me see. I'm gonna get in one con. Oh, I'm tweaking. Good shit. I caught it. Amazon. Change my Amazon. It's already. I just got filled. Y'all can see.
Amazon over 175. I don't like it over 175. But I really like Amazon longs at all.
Really?
Amazon's under macro support, right? But it's like 180 level.
Damn, he said that shit as soon as I get in.
Anything Amazon under 180, I don't like any longs on it. Same thing with Apple. I don't like any longs on Apple as long as it's under 200. There's some names that you can long, right? But it's gotta be at 7 demand. Like nvda 97 is demand, right? But like names like Apple and Amazon are just, these are just dead cats under support, which is just a bear flag. I probably could get filled here in Apple, but I just want to be patient. I want to wait for proper failures. We have a good trader ready. I am seeing that 524 is beginning to fail here. 200 beginning to reject now as well.
Damn, he said that shit as soon as I got in.
The contracts are insanely volatile. They just went up $60 per con from that little candle.
Imagines even more potential if state and local governments recognize the need to support long-distance bus travel with integrated infrastructure.
We need to think about the infrastructure in the United States holistic and think about the
For some reason I have 524 on my chart, not 525. I think that's from the daily time frame too, that previous like March high.
If once I eat, no, I can't even say that. If I eat on Amazon, I may take one more trade.
Yeah, that was fine. It's just a wisdom teeth removal. Easy surgery. That's a outpatient. And then the
From the world of politics to the world of business, Joe Matthew and Kaylee Lines deliver news, insight, and analysis live 2 times a day, every trading day.
yeah, it'll probably be high as a kite today. Get some ketamine to start the morning.
I'm up 5% right now. 9%. 10%. Damn, I'ma sell. Sold at like 6%, I think. Damn, them contracts move crazy as hell. Wait, I ain't even sure. But yeah, I literally just took private. Y'all heard it. But damn, I could have sworn I clicked my shit. Y'all heard it, bro. Y'all heard that shit. Let me see something right fast. Yeah, that's Gucci. Damn, these contracts move crazy. I should have helped. I may get back in, bro.
Yeah, Red's gonna get the ketamine and trade 0 DT.
I'm gonna get back in, bro. Just based off. Hold on. Let me see what percent I got in at. I mean, out at. I'm gonna get back in. That's all I got too, bro. This shit too nice.
so it's not terribly surprising that China would make it more expensive for U.S. exporters to sell into China.
On Truth Social, President Trump says Beijing panics, and he insists his policies will, quote, never change. Despite mass government firings, American employers added a better-than-expected 228,000 jobs last month. CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger.
Overall, this report feels kind of strange coming out in light of the tariff announcements, because this report indicates that the labor market is alive and well and continues to grow.
The new Health and Human Services Secretary, Robert F. Kennedy Jr., is suggesting around 10,000 job cuts DOJ made at his department.
Yeah, I may just try to hold to that 20 EMA.
Yeah, Apple worked. 200 reject. Microsoft 368 reclaim
work
work.
right now.
Everything actually from the watch list hit.
Oh, nah. I'm getting itchy. I'm getting real itchy right now. Real antsy. I really just wanted to go up and wick at that fucking what's the name. I'm gonna use probably like the 8 EMA as my stop. It's up to 5 minutes. 3, well, technically 3 green candles, but this shit has yet to close. It's up to 5 minutes. Why?
Here in Broward County, justice doesn't have an expiration date. It doesn't matter when you committed the crime. It doesn't matter what part of this world you're from. If you come here in this community and decide that you're going to take a life, we're going to unleash every single resources to bring you to justice.
I don't need to be listening to that. Like, they be putting some CBNC, bro. Ain't nobody trying to listen to CBC. Just put me on a bit.
Yeah, Apple 200 also work perfectly. Market's also rejecting 524 too. I could see, the thing is Apple now, it has to lose 196, right? You would probably take some trims at 196 and look for 190. If Apple loses 196, you're going to see that fade aggressively to 190.
So I need this damn system, bro.
I actually don't mind scalping at momentum either. If you lose 196, that could be a really nice scalp down.
It wasn't necessarily wrong for me to get back in, but thinking about it, bro, like I got in off. I just got back in. You feel me? No, I mean, it is a big deal. I'm playing with real money. No, like emotions, but yeah. Now what? 8% now. What is it? Damn, down like 14% right now. That's why shit is perfect at 9%. I don't know if this shit going first. Look at that market, this shit.
The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services.
The party line vote was 53 to 45 for the former heart surgeon and television star.
I still just want to hold it.
Health insurance programs for almost half the country.
Fuck no, I don't want to hold it. This shit 17%. Myself 15. So that 15%. That's what I get for trying to get back in.
Oz has not said if he supports the Medicaid cuts Congress is debating. Michael Wallace, CBS News.
Beyonce and Jay-Z are celebrating 17 years since they exchanged wedding bands. The date, the 4th day of the 4th month, no coincidence. They like the number 4. She was born on September 4th, Jay-Z on December 4th. They have matching tattoos of the Roman number 4 on their ring fingers. Deborah Rodriguez, CBS News.
Yeah, that was a lot of info.
This is
A lot of info.
The real outperformance is
I don't know what's wrong with
US corporate high yield.
Are the companies lean enough? Have they trimmed all the fat?
The semiconductor business is
Bro, should never, ever got in like that. I ain't gonna lie.
Like the M&A that we've seen.
These are two big-time blue chip companies.
The window between the peak
That was kind of smart.
Changing super fast.
Bloomberg Intelligence with Alex Steele and Paul Sweeney on Bloomberg Radio.
Oh, let me get back in. Just I think it's gonna go back up somewhere. Probably, nigga, if I want to get back in, I just should have added. I just should have added to my side. But it's all good.
Craig Trudell, Bloomberg Global Autos editor. He's going to join us on the effect of tariffs on the global auto industry. Mira Pendit, executive director, global market strategist at JP Morgan Asset Management, will give us her thoughts on how to navigate this uncertainty and this volatility in the market. Then around 10:40, we're going to have a simulcast with Bloomberg Television. Howard Marks, Oak Tree Capital Management co-chairman. He's going to be speaking with Bloomberg Television anchor Lisa Bronwyn. So we'll bring that to you. So lots happening. We're going to have a lot of market guests and a lot of folks talking to us about the different angles that different industries are going to be.
All right, so looking at this shit, hopefully it's 4 minutes to that shit close. We just don't know. But looking at Apple, I may get Apple put. Again, I ain't gonna add no size, and this would be my last trade for real. The video puts look valid too.
It changes the whole tech paradigm from a supply chain and from a growth perspective. And I think that right now is the scary thing. For the long term, of course, I continue to be bullish in terms of these. But look, this is a black swan event, what he single-handedly has done on the self-inflicted end.
The big event could be Fed Chair Powell set to speak later this morning. 11:25.
Wait, 3 minutes up. All right, I'm gonna get in on the plus side I just brought on the video.
Mike, you're right about flipping short on the video, 197. That actually worked out well too.
It just slid.
This shit is up 6%.
Alright, let's see what I can load. I'm definitely not taking 0DT again though. I just want to protect.
12%. I just took profit at 12%.
Contracts are crazy.
Holy fuck.
1DT maybe. 525.
Wow.
Yeah, I'll probably take the 1DT 525s.
When I tell you,
not
fucking,
even gonna load them yet. I'll let you guys
this
know.
shit moves fucking like a Ferrari, nigga. Could have stayed in, but
1DT means Monday.
What's the conversation, the zeitgeist around that right now?
I think over here in Europe,
Dylan, Apple only short now in Apple is under 196. If it closes below, you can take that and the momentum play down lower. But it's hitting at little intraday support and VWAP, so wait for that to clear. If it clears, then it's a good short. Apple could go back to 190 today if it fails under 196.
Well, I'm thinking fucking the video. Got hella what's in there. I don't know. But this shit do move crazy.
518 is at pre-market low. We're trying to hold that now on SPY. Sorry, 516. 516.
Damn, I said I would, but really, I feel I can keep going with this trading. I don't know. My cap. I know when to stop taking trades.
A lot of betas follow SPY right now.
I know when to stop. If I were to just lose right there, I would have just completely stopped. But what am I? I'm right under break even, bro. Not even trying to get back at break even, but yeah, my countdown like 1%, all cause that dumbass Amazon trade. I should have just took profit at fucking 9%. Shoulda, woulda, coulda though. You feel me? See, I'm be good enough to where I can take this trade on Amazon and actually hold that shit. See what the candle closed at. I be wanting to do that, but I gotta do that shit with like a 50-cent contract or something.
Yeah, looks like we're holding. I wouldn't be surprised if you hold this today, though. Thing is, look at betas. Like, look at Meta. Look at Apple. Apple's still above VWAP. Meta's still above VWAP, or is holding VWAP.
Yeah, I mean, we just wicked that SPX, so we may just build off of that if it holds here. But 518 is that level that has to hold.
Right in front of my damn face.
This is the only spot I really see that has to hold. If it holds here, then we go right back to 524.
Oh, 11? Oh, hell yeah, I'm nigga. I'm out the market.
Qs haven't even really broken anything yet. Just in the middle ground.
I maybe can like try to do a swing or some shit, get back in later, but fuck no. That nigga, the Fed finna speak.
Amazon. Yeah, also Amazon's strong too, right? So.
No, you just said Amazon was weak, nigga. Shut up. And this shit goes back up to the fucking to the 20 EMA. I would have took profit right there. Oh God. I'ma learn. I'm learning. You feel me? Nothing to get like down about it. You feel me? You just gotta create that. I gotta create that damn plan. You feel me? Real shit. I'm going off based. I'm not going off a fucking written strategy or written plan or something that has AYZ. You feel me? It's great.
RK, you're not gonna like it. My Amazon equity ad place is 150.
Damn.
150.
Hold on, let me see that shit right fast.
So Spy's trying to hold here.
No, so really under this level.
Bank of America's back at 34.
My nigga says equity ad. Ooh. Hell yeah.
JP Morgan 212.
From this fucking August shit. What the fuck happened August? Whatever happened August made the market go up when Trump got in.
JPM gets to 180. I'll get some buys.
But I'm loving this shit. I can't cap my I don't care how many times I lose. I'm gonna still come back the next day.
I just started buying airlines.
I'm still gonna come back the next
Delta
day.
and United primarily. Also American.
But
oh my God,
this motherfucker
these are so
here,
cheap.
boy. Yeah, motherfucker here, boy. Yeah, motherfucker here, boy. What the fuck, boy? I could have just did that to the air, boy. What the fuck, boy?
I fear, guys. Don't be scared. Just hold.
Fuck, boy? I should have just did it to the air, boy. What the fuck was I doing, boy? I really want to just catch this spot going down. Like, I really want to buy right now for puts, but
equity, primarily equity.
No, I can't.
When I say buy here, because we can't control what happens in short term, but long term, a lot of opportunities already.
I really do want to do that shit.
I mean, SPY may drop another 10%.
SPY's not going back up to fucking 524.
When you get these opportunities, buy stocks that haven't traded.
Can we all just be realistic with ourselves? Is SPY going back up to 524 today? Probably not, but I'm still not gonna take this shit. What I was getting at is getting out, like hella out the money for like a fucking 50-cent contract, and then goddamn what's the name? Good thing I took profit. See, in and up, scalping shit, but. I learn how to hold to that 20%. It stopped out. I want to say 10 to 15. You feel me? It's my 0 to 15. 15 at the max, but I don't try to see shit over 15. I did today on Amazon. I seen 17% down, but I don't be trying to do that shit. Damn. I'm getting better at this shit. I'm getting better at this shit. Cause I just know I'm getting better at this shit. Literally, like the proof is in the pudding. All that shit. It's just I have to hold these contracts. I have to get better at fucking what I just did on Amazon. It wasn't a bad. To be honest, I got back in, yeah, but I probably should have waited. I should wait for this shit to close. This 15 to close. Yeah, that part. A lot of fake outs in the 5 minute. See, look. Okay.
Ooh, Apple looks like it wants to lose that 196 now.
Back below 5,200.
I'm looking at the video. I want to see retest of that fucking level goes back down. Nice. Still happy I took profit where I took profit at. Shit just really showed me what I can do.
Bloomberg Business app. This is a Bloomberg Business Flash.
And I'm John Tucker, the Bloomberg News. With this Bloomberg Business Flash, let's get right to it. The Dow Jones Industrial Average down.
And bro, yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know if this girl want to invest into me, bro. I'm asking for $500. Oh God, I'm asking for $500. I'm gonna give her a whole. I'm gonna give her a whole rundown.
I do got to take a short in this Apple though.
Come on, let's
Using
do
that
it.
196.50 as a baseline.
Are you in?
It's just a momentum play at this point. It's already faded off 200. Under 196.50, we have room back into 193. So I just got filled on some puts here at 3.1 or 3.1.
Nah, I'm gonna get in too. This gonna be my last trade of the day.
Jesus.
You're doing 0 day?
0 day.
I'm liking Apple. I was really looking at Apple, to be honest. Oh God. Yeah, I had them. 15.
That was really quick. That's the problem with 0 days. They just move really fast.
I like this based off this right here, and it closed under.
All right, I'm trimming some Apple at 13%.
Yeah, he been got in. Like I'm at 5.
I really want to see 194 though.
I'm a hold. Damn, I can't, bro. I can't. Well, I can, but I want to hold this shit with nigga. My average is I got the fucking 3.3 average.
All right, thank you so much, JT. Alex Steele here alongside Paul Sweeney. We made it to Friday, although there's still a few hours of trading left. Anything can
I'll be
happen
right.
as we
I'll
arrive
hold
at
this shit.
session for the S&P below 5,200.
See.
I have seen so many calls in the last 24 hours.
SPY at lows here. SPY's at this 516 support, which we spoke about before.
Let's talk to Mira Pandit, Executive Director, Global Market Strategy.
I'm gonna use like a 196 stop loss now.
How am I down? What the fuck?
It's really quick. I know it's like really fast. These contracts move super crazy. But it's a new low again, up 13%.
Would be reciprocal, implying that we probably charge what they charge us, which in many cases is
I really just want to see like that.
Apple is bearish as long as it's under 196. Give me one more candle down. Under 195.
Bro, that shit need to fucking push. Go, bitch.
That's 22%, 21%.
21%? What? He must be averaging like.
Nice.
Bro, I'm starting to think just to take my profit. Oh God. Only fucking price go back up and come back down. I'm sitting at like 5% right now. On the upside.
and therefore that further ups tariff rates. So there are still upside and downside risks. We clearly haven't seen the end of this
But price is
story.
fucking.
So we're still grappling with how do we
Pricing this price is pricing. Look at all this shit. Price is pricing. Ah.
Okay. I took another set of trims here at 24%.
I'm out at 8%. Cool. It's my last trade. This shit want to push down a little bit. Cool.
A couple of weeks ago when we saw the 10% correction in the markets, I had 4 things I was looking at to see
195.50 is my stop. 195.50 is my stop loss now.
Like I'm down fucking.
Owl speaks in an hour.
I'm down 0.35% on the. So shout out to Amazon You talking about? Nah, for real. Shout out Amazon. I got real question, real shit, like real shit, like on God, like real shit. Let me say this shit. Let me mute these niggas. I really want to ask this nigga Bezos, how does he have that system for his fucking warehouses? How? Like, who created these systems? Like, their systems are amazing from a investor standpoint. You feel me? Don't get that shit twisted. But yeah, from an investor standpoint, nigga, that shit is amazing. Um, yeah. Thinking about Apple, bro, I could have probably stayed in just a little longer. Just a little longer. Come next week. Come next week, I have to push myself to stay in this shit longer. Come next week, I'm let me write this shit down too. Stay in longer. This is some shit I want to do.
And again, on sector, different markets and materials, and in the absence of that,
And creating my plan.
And we just got that retaliation from China overnight, for example. I mean, the S&P is down 8.4% in 2 days.
I'm tweaking. I put plan with a fucking D. Great. But anyway, look at NVIDIA. My NVIDIA went all the way down. Yeah. I mean, I can't be like, I don't know, like what I'm. You feel me? I have a strong fucking nigga. I know what I'm doing a little bit. You feel me? I know what I'm doing a little bit. I said that was my last trade. I really was thought about doing another one, but nah. This is before I said that was my last trade. Feel me? And I was like, I know when to like cap myself off. I really want to do like take more like 2 more trades, but someone just told me like to just take this shit and just go. Feel me? Down 6% on the day. I know why, because of fucking Amazon. I got back in just off of getting back in after taking profit at like I want to say 10%, but it's all good. Can't be mad at can't be mad at the market. Only can be mad at myself. You feel me? So yeah, I don't think they talking about nothing else. Market know what it's doing. I don't know. I don't know. I made nigga after Powell speak, nigga. I gotta see how market is. But nah, fuck no. I'm not getting back in today. I didn't did what I had to do. I had to create this plan. I had to create this strategy. I thought about back testing every Saturday on live, like YouTube live. That's coming. Trust me, that's coming because I know it's coming. Just for like an hour or 30 minutes. But that shit gonna come. But anyway, if I had to say a stock that I would have got in today, or should have got in today, yes, a stock I should have got in today was SPY. I have to take my chances and believe in myself. You feel me? But you feel me? I be believing in myself. You feel me? Because I took how many trades I took by my lonesome? Like 3 trades today I took by my lonesome. 2 Amazon and 1 NVIDIA. What else I took? Yeah, that's it. And I took NVIDIA going up on the signal. So I took like 4 trades today. Yeah, I took like 4 trades today. So yeah, just keep getting better. Keep fucking learning. Keep fucking keeping at this shit. Shit ain't stopping. This shit ain't going nowhere. Shout out to Trump. I kind of knew Trump was gonna have a nigga. What's her name? Have a nigga going crazy. Cause look, bro, the video's at 97. Where's the video highs? Feel me? That's all I be thinking about. I literally just told my boy yesterday. I told my brother. You feel me? I was like, bro. I'm like, nigga, it's that time to like really like get in this shit. My nigga, look at all the tariff news, all this shit. Ooh, you feel me? Like real shit. I was like, I'm like, hey, let me play this video. Yeah, I gotta play this video. And look, I'm gonna call this girl too, just so y'all niggas can see. I want to see what she say, and I'm gonna record this shit. Wait, hold on. See, this shit lonely at the top. I'm trying to tell niggas spot just drop. Oh my. Nah, for real, I was like, that young boy had came to me. I was like, when he was like, my daddy told me that it's lonely at the top. I'ma keep my head in box. Bro, I was like, like damn, I was like, bro, I can't call nobody to tell these niggas like, bro, like nigga, y'all niggas not in this shit. But real shit, real shit. I wasn't even trying to rhyme or nothing. I was dead ass trying to speak my mind. And that shit just happened. Trying to tell. They say it's lonely at the top. I was trying to tell niggas spot had dropped for real. For real. But anyway, let me call this girl. I'm finna call this girl on live. I want to see what she say. Hold on. Matter of fact, I thought I was just gonna pause it, but I ain't even gonna pause it. Let me see.
These bank stocks sort of get hit first, and then investors ask questions later. So that's where we are today. Valuations have come down, and there's just a lot of worries about future credit quality.
She's selling, bro.
Loan growth, fees coming down, top lines coming down. So there's going to be a lot of revisions going forward if these tariffs do really materialize.
But anyway, I don't need her help. Fuck her. Her ass just won't get none of this. This grape juice I'm finna goddamn juice. Fuck she talking about. But anyway, look at Spy. Spy's going down. That system coming. Trust me, that system coming because I already kind of got the strategy. It's just patience and just patience because. Hold on 1 second. It's up to 15. 15 be killing me sometimes. I can't count. Look like this shit from the reverse go back down. Yeah, let me click out this shit. Anyway, yeah, that's the end of the video. Finna post this shit straight like that.